everyone, for this unboxing and review I have got Chloe and her boutique. So we get the doll and she comes in this big box which can be used, the packaging can become a boutique, so we'll see if we can do that when we get her unboxed. So we have the doll at the side here, the front of it's all clear. On the bottom of the box it says Bratz Boutique, Angel, Chloe and Co, with a picture of Chloe on the side there. You can see in the rest of her box that she has another outfit. She's got a leopard print outfit there on a stand, and we've got the sales point along with a till and a scanner. On the back of the box it shows you the other girls that you can get in this line. So typically I have Jade, Yasmin and now Chloe, but I don't have Sasha. In fact, I think I've probably got Chloe and Yasmin twice. So yeah. At the bottom here it shows you a little bit you can cut out. And it says, "Hi, I'm Chloe. What catches my eye when I'm shopping is animal print, glittering accessories. I love it all." And there's some artwork for the girls on the corner here. And a picture of the box opened out just here with Chloe in her boutique. So let's see how well we get on at getting her out of the box, shall we? Let's see. Now then, don't want to ruin the box. Where does one start? It looks as if this plastic bit is slotted inside the cardboard, so I'm going to try and cut the sellotape from around the edge and see if I can just... Oh, I don't know whether I'm right in saying that now. There's no instructions on how to unpackage the thing without ruining the box. No, I was wrong about the plastic slotting into the cardboard. It looks as if it's glued on. So let's see if we can... It's sellotaped at the top here, so I'm just cutting that. It says Angel, Chloe and Co on the handle. So what I've done is I've cut the top of the box and I've slid her out. The whole bit has slid out of the box. There's some instructions on the bottom here to tell you what to do. So let's see. And you can fold out these bits at the side and the bit at the bottom. And this bit here, if I remember rightly, will just come out, because I have had one of these dolls before. Yes, you can see on the back here there's a little flap which we need to just poke through. And this is the bit that the doll and all the accessories is attached to. So when you've removed that, what you're left with is your box which you can turn into a boutique. So we have the sign at the top there, the Angel, Chloe and Co. You can see that the sides fold out as well, and the bottom folds up to be the floor. So there's our little boutique. So now let's see if we can get the doll off the card. Here's a star brush. Comes with this little mannequin. Well, it's like a mannequin. It's more of a dress stand, but we'll call it a mannequin. A headless mannequin at that, yeah. And it does say on the box that she likes animal prints and sparkly things, so they've provided her with an animal print dress. for her boutique. There we go, but you could swap that for any clothing you wanted really, couldn't you? And if you put all of your pieces together, you could make a fairly good big boutique with all these pieces, couldn't you? There's a little storage tub which is very handy. Just a plain little tub with a lid, handy for putting all the jewellery and things in, that is. Yeah. There's a little pink handbag here, the barcode on the bottom. Yeah. That's the stand making that noise. Every time I touch it, it goes off. Yeah, sounds like the till. Yeah. So here's the stand, and on the top of it, it has these buttons you can press. That one and that one. So for ringing it up and for... Yeah, so that's a little display cabinet thing for displaying all your wares on. Here's the... I assume this is the till screen. Yeah. That can go on top of that cabinet there. And then there's the little scanner. With its little stand as well. Very neat, isn't it? Yeah, then also you get a pair of big red square earrings. Yeah. And also a pair of dangly gold coloured earrings. Yeah. I think the best place to put those is in that little pot so that we don't lose them. Also you get a long, that's elasticated in, so let me snip it out. A long gold coloured necklace. I have seen that a few times. I'm not sure whether they've all got the same one, but yeah, I have seen that necklace a few times. So there's that. Then we have a pair of these red boots. I've actually got quite a few pairs of these boots in both red and black, and possibly even white. But yeah, there's those. Pair of red boots. And then finally we have Chloe herself. And she is welded to the box as the Bratz usually are. She's wearing a pretty black skirt that's got little roses on it by the look of it. She's got some black boots with pink laces on them. She's wearing a white ribbed t-shirt top. I'm just going to knock down the whole display. Messing about, honestly. Trying to get her out of the box. Not too bad, we're getting there. Okay, so here she is. Just a few extra bits of elastic. So Chloe herself, she's got her sunglasses attached to her head. She's got some huge pink hoop earrings. Her ribbed top, as I said, and her little floral skirt. It's like a thin cotton fabric, that is. And she's wearing like a little furry waistcoat. Yeah, her hair is lovely and long, and it's just got a little bit untidy in the box. Once that's had a bit of a brush, it'll be beautiful. Yeah, and like I say, she's got her long boots on. She's got no articulation in her knees or her elbows. She's got pretty pink lips and blue eyes. I'm not entirely sure what this bit's for. I don't know whether it should be clipped in with that bit or... But it's in a bit of an odd place, isn't it, really? Don't you think? I'm really not sure about that at all. Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look at her in her boutique, shall we? See if I can show you a picture of her boutique setup. So, here we are. The boutique actually does look pretty good, doesn't it? You can see it's got pictures in the back. It's got pictures of shoes and bags at the side there. It's got the flooring and a little, here's a little shelf in here with the oh, hold on, I've lost her. Must have fallen off the back there. Yeah, there's a little tub there that you can put all her accessories in. Yeah, there's a little shoes, a little carrier bag. I love the little carrier bags. Yeah. So that's my unboxing and review of Boutique Cloe. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.